And what is great about, and I document about this product, is that it doesn't waste a lot of water. It uses a membrane. This is basically how Frizzlife reverse osmosis, this reverse osmosis technology works. It wastes water with this membrane. It separates the good water from the bad water. It separates somehow the water. The bad water goes to waste, and the filtered water will be cleaned up of all particles. Will give to the remineralization filter good, clean water that, be careful, and this is the thing I want to talk with you. The remineralization is very important for the body. To put back to your body zinc, magnesium, calcium, natrium or sodium. Even we need the symbol Fe or iron from our water into our water to benefit the body. So all the elements presented before are made by this filter, that it's the TAM4 filter, and the pH remineralize the water after reverse osmosis, reduce obsessive taste, and polish the flavor to increase the pH level, weakly alkaline. So the alkaline level is somewhere bigger than 7.5. And we will see together how to install these filters. We will install it together. This is the presentation. I think they are looking good. They are not very big. They can fit very good under your sink.